I think we will have a vote tonight, and I think it will pass with bipartisan support. I've always said that we aren't quite addressing the real problem. You know, everybody's been talking about this cliff. If everyone's taxes go up, everyone's acknowledged that everyone's taxes going up is a bad thing. But then on the same hand, they say, well, some people's taxes going up is a good thing. And that to me is an inconsistency and has never made any sense to me. So I think taking more money out of the private sector and putting it in the hands of the government is a mistake. So I'm not really in favor of that. I think the deal, though, will pass. There will be some good that comes out of it. 99% of the people are going to get a permanent tax rate, the permanent Bush rates, which I think are better than letting their rates go up. So there is some silver lining. There is going to be new spending in the bill, and I think the new spending plus increase in taxes are really the wrong direction. I think the real crisis in our country is a debt crisis, and really what we have to do is we have to reduce spending significantly. And once they took entitlements off the table, I think they really said, you know what, we're not quite serious yet about fixing the debt crisis that's coming.
Senator, I am no expert in American civics, but I do understand that if this bill, should it appear, does not get 100 votes in the Senate, then it does not proceed immediately to the House. Is that correct?
Well, it just has to pass with probably a simple majority in the Senate.
No, I realize that, but
for
it to go to directly, if it doesn't get 100 votes in the Senate, does it not then go to cloture?
No, I don't think so. I think a simple majority just sends it over to the House. And the one thing that I've acknowledged that you know, the Republicans have worked very hard to get the best deal we could with tax rates that are expiring. So I'm not going to filibuster the bill. In the end, I am going to vote no because it has new spending and it also it allows taxes to go up.
But given your strong objections, Senator, given those objections that you have, and those objections I know are based on principle, why wouldn't you filibuster? I'm not suggesting that you do, but I'd like to know why you wouldn't take that step. You know, how is it that you weigh the good and the bad? Clearly you see some good, but there's, in your view, plenty of bad. You've just explained that to us.
Well, the thing is the one thing I think that is good in the deal, as I understand it, as it's been informed to me, is that making the Bush tax cuts or tax rates for 99% of the people permanent. Before they've always been sunsetted. Making them permanent is a good thing, and I think that is something that Senator McConnell's frankly done a good job to negotiate that. And if that stays in the final deal, I think it's good for America. I think it's bad that we're letting any taxes go up, but you know, I think Republicans felt they were caught in a bind with all the tax rates being sunsetted. On the margin, though, I will vote no because I think there's new spending and it fails to address the debt crisis.